What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and we're going to do some more thumbnail creation. In Adobe Photoshop. So I have my video editing template here. Basically, this is for any thumbnail or any videos where I do any type of video editing. And so this is going to be for a video about me video editing D&D Beyond character creation, it looks like. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to hit T for text tool. Well, let's make sure this is selected first. Actually, what we should do first is save as. I'm a little rusty. I basically made 2 weeks worth of videos, or maybe even longer than that. And it's been a while since I've made any more videos, so I'm a little rusty. Let's see here. This is going to be D&D Beyond character creation. And then we're going to go D&D Beyond character creation -V1. I've been switching to the dashes because I guess they're more SEO friendly. So when I upload the file, you know, that's just better. So we're going to go ahead and save. We're going to click OK. And like I said, we're going to hit T. It's going to allow me to select this. We're going to call it D&D Beyond character creation. So let's go ahead and stretch this out. Let's hit backspace on this. So the whole key to this is when we go to center this text, let me kind of show you here right now. There's this gap here and this gap here. We're going to go like this, so this is centered, so it's not too bad. So it's going to actually center pretty nicely because it's going to be even on both sides. But if it was aligned like left, then you would see that it's not good. So I like to just keep my text box tight. So we want to make it there, right there. Go ahead and bring this up like that. We're gonna hit just like that, just like that. We're gonna hit V, which brings you to the move tool. You gotta make sure that this is selected for canvas. You're gonna center, and then we're gonna go about here, right? We're going to go File. We're going to save. You can also hit Control S to save. As you can see right here. Right here's 50 pixels from here to here. And then it's 49 pixels from the bottom of those. So there's 1 pixel off, but I mean, what are you going to do? And then we've already saved. We're going to quick export, which is going to bring us here, and we're going to save. And that's basically it. These are just quick little videos, kind of a little process, show you a little bit of my process. And then, you know, sometimes I talk a little bit about some other stuff, but for now, I'm just kind of getting through them. Just to kind of get back in the routine of knocking these out. Like I said, I made like 3 weeks worth, so it's been a little bit since I've did some videos. You won't even see these for a while because I have a backlog of, I don't know, maybe a month and a half worth of videos. So I was going to show you there, but it doesn't matter. Yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.